not die well.
What a crime. How could the Fu family raise such a traitor?
Tulog na? Tulog na. Sleep na, sleep. Sleep na, wala ang mami. Tulog na yan. O, ayaw mo pa matulog? Ano gusto mo? Dito ka lang. Magluto ako?
I'll send some.
Ha?
There are 4 herbs in total.
Dito ka lang ha?
We have the Buddha's hand ginseng from Shishan.
Ha?
The thousand
Dito ka lang ha?
from Tianshan. The
Okay?
Buddha's resurrection
Sleep
herb
ka
from
lang ha?
Shaolin. And there's one last
Sleep lang
one.
ikaw?
By Chao Ding.
Sleep lang ikaw dyan?
Here at the Divine
Sleep na,
Position
sleep.
Grand Ceremony.
Sleep na, sleep.
Other herbs are just minor matters. What is the Divine Position Grand Ceremony?
It's the grand ceremony of the divine position from Shadwa.
Pinapauwi kita. Ayaw mo naman doon umuwi. Ayaw mo pumasok sa kwarto nyo.
Hey, be
Ah.
careful.
Mom and Dad say he
Sige na, tulog ka na dyan.
even transmitted their
Sleep na,
energy to
sleep
you.
ka na.
That's why you're weak.
Mamaya, darating na si mami mo.
You
Mamaya.
seem like a married couple. She has saved me multiple times.
I'll go find the medicine for
Tulog
you.
na.
Finding the medicine can't be delayed. You're very weak right now. You need to rest.
Ano? Higa na, higa na.
What a useless master. The medicine you gave is useless.
Papalambing naman to. Papalambing naman ang boto na to. Papalambing naman to. Papalambing naman yan. Papalambing naman yan. Papalambing ang boto. Ang boto.
He's doing fine now.
Kabuka pa yan.
I can expel because
Kabuka pa yan.
of this. The Fu family. A useless thing. I can't get things done.
Antok na pala eh.
I mess things up.
Antok pala ang bata yan eh. Antok na pala yan oh. Antok na pala yan oh.
Meet the master.
Meet the mentor. This is an invitation to the Master Healers Convention. This time, only